The 2026 LEONE Mining Week brought together key stakeholders including government officials, mining companies, industry leaders, investors, and service providers to discuss challenges, opportunities, and innovations in Sierra Leone's mining industry. The exhibition showcased various mining technologies, equipment, and services from players in the mining industry, providing a platform for networking and collaboration. The event positioned Sierra Leone as a premier investment destination by showcasing its mineral resource potentials and commitments to responsible mining. Closing the session, Minister of Mines and Mineral Resources Dr. Julius Matai underscored the importance of the theme.
Responsible mining without shared prosperity is incomplete. I did mention that value multiplication without shared prosperity is unjust. I did again mention that shared prosperity without responsible governance is unsustainable.
The event also featured the 11th Africa Diamond Producers Association ordinary meeting of the Council of Ministers and experts panel discussions and opportunities for business partnerships in financing, academia, infrastructure, arbitration, community issues, and women in mining, among others.
I have said this is no longer about mining. This is about the pride, dignity, and soberness of us as Sierra Leoneans. For so long, we've been complaining that our mineral resources are not working for us. And I do believe there's a lot of truth in that. But that responsibility falls on all of us.
The Sierra Leone Mining Week and exhibition was a flagship annual event in the national mining calendar of the Ministry of Mines and Mineral Resources and the National Mineral Agency. Ibrahim Samura, Freetown.